I made it last night. I like peeled everything and had it all ready in the blender. I had brewed some hibiscus tea, so when I got up at like 5 in the morning this morning, I just poured the tea into the blender, hit blend, and I had my smoothie ready to go. So I had my 36-ounce peanut butter jar full of smoothie on the way down the mountain this morning. And then I'm gonna finish this off. It's bananas, blueberries and blackberries, hibiscus tea, some amla powder, turmeric and ginger. So this will give me some antioxidants while I play in the sun today. And I might have an apple. Where did I put my, there's my apple. I'm gonna have an apple too. And some pineki paka. Pineki.
That's so good.
Mmm! Oh, I forgot I accidentally dropped some rosemary into the smoothie. It's weird, but nice. Hold that. Got the oh, I wish I'd gone. Oh well.
I got the food court phone.
I'll lick that off. I got the chickpea tuna wrap. That's pretty good.
Okay, here's my 100.
Stupid. Just drive the car.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at in front of you.
Oh. Okay.
Ho, watch that car on the side of the road.
This guy's just scared.
Wow, that's the worst place to pull over.
No, they do that, you know. They pull on the side.
I hope I don't film our own auto accident.
So if you look over there, I get fog. And if you look this way, I get more fog.
Don't open the window. You don't know what happens when you let the mist in. Back in the fog. Good lord. Can't even see that Jeep anymore. Got worse. Oh my god.
Whoa, look at that.
All right, dinner. We are having some leftover jackfruit nachos. Look at that. It looks just like pulled pork, and I swear it tastes just like pulled pork, and as someone from the South, that means a lot to me. And then I have some leftover french fries from last night. So those are just oil-free, covered in some herbs, a little bit of nutritional yeast, and other yumminess. And then I have some leftover chili from last night, too. I do enjoy leftover dinners. And some purple sweet potato right over there on the side. Oh, it's so ugly. But, like, yummy. Like, ugly,
It's
yummy. Like, ugly, delicious.
This is chili cheese. Oh, this is chili fries with pulled pork nachos.
Yeah, your nachos look fantastic.
Yeah.
My nachos look smaller than yours.
Well, look at your plate. Your plate weighs more than mine.
The nachos were the first thing on the plate, though.
I don't know what that's about.
Same, same? Same, same. Looking good. Okay, you guys, I fell asleep last night, so you're gonna get a bonus. We're having breakfast over here. Got some fried up plantains with a little bit of coconut oil, not the healthiest. Some halakahiki. What is that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple, very, very good. And we got some hei. What is that?
Papaya.
Papaya, correct. Some blackberries there on top, and then some mammy sapote to wrap it up. I have my green tea mix over there. I have a berry, that's strawberry, banana, turmeric, ginger smoothie. And then you guys have your mini version. Oh, and some flax seeds to go on top too, because everybody needs the daily flax. You have about the same, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, plus coffee. Ow, I'm sorry.
That's good.
I gotta get an aerial view of this. Very nice.
I don't see it. What's going on here? Mustache?
No.
Is he vomiting?
No. It's a tongue.
Oh.
A tongue. I see it
Eyeballs.
now.
Eyebrows, mouth, and tongue. That I'm going to eat.
Okay. Oh, I still have my sleeping mask on. All right, you guys, so that was pretty much everything that I ate in like a day and a third. We're gonna enjoy this breakfast and then take the girlies home, and I'm gonna get some time. Trust me. I love you. I also love time alone. Okay, so as always, like, subscribe, share, you know the drill. And until next time, make better choices for yourself. No one's gonna do it for you, and take really, really good care. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye. Bye. No, look here, Petunia. Okay, yeah. Bye. Bye.
Jesus Christ.
Ew, it's all over my foot. It's on my foot, Petunia.
Oh.
And my leg.
Not happening.
Ugh.